Did 800, 200 free, 200 IM drill, 200 freestyle, 310 pretty bad time, and then 200 kind of relax and sprint mix. Done with the swim, 800 meters, 125 for 100 meters, and 305 for 200. So that's not bad. I mean, decent pace. Let's go home. Came cycling today. Mom was out, so cycling back. Bye bye. On with today's swim. So the update is today. Yesterday was 125 for the 100. It came down to 121 for the first 100 today, and then in the last I did one sprint, which is 118. So that's good progress. I mean, I'm getting back in the game. That's it. Mom's sitting there, and let's go home. Just got a new diary inspired by Kamal and Sejal partly, but I always write in my iPad. Something physical now. Let's go. So yeah, done with the swim. 118 again, decent pace. That was a good swim. Now I'm gonna go cycling with Matati. So let's see. I love those flags over there. So, Mitali's here. What are we doing? Where are we going? What's the plan? We got a spot to sit. Here. Yo, I'll add this in a vlog. Kabhi future mein. Bye Mitali.
Bye bye.
See ya next time. Well, I go straight. Let's go home now. It's 8 already. Okay, so I'm here at Shivaji Park. Got my iPad. I mean, let me show you. Oops. And I'm gonna be reading GI Pathoma just a little bit. Turn on, come on. Yeah, so I'll be reading some GI Pathoma in the park, which is weird, but it's different and nice sometimes. It's a change. So yeah. Oh, by the way, it's like a nice coincidence that I have this like study with me. Gonna do some pull-ups. Hey guys, so done with the swim. That was a good day. My hair needs a haircut. I mean, I need a haircut. 900. Did a last 50 meter sprint 34. 100 meters, first 100 meter was 117-ish. So that's and 1 second improvement. That was a good swim, like the long one too. So yeah, we done good. Do you see that? The sky looks so pretty, like the purple shade, and it's raining. Perfect. Some very nice kachoris mom and her friends made. Thank you. Hair is long and messy after swimming. Not that messy actually, but hoodie mode on. Did you see that lightning? Done with the swim, 700 meters, and today I didn't check any times. I just wanted to chill down, but I did like a decent pace, so yeah. Chale. Let's go. This is better. Hair's in a mess, need a cut, but that was a good swim. Relax, chill, and now I'm gonna go cycling with some music. Okay guys, so here's the update. That's mom. So here's the update. Timing has improved for 100-meter freestyle. Didn't check it for 2 days. Checked today. It was 1:15 for the first 100. And I just did like 500-meter swim. That's all. Not much, but that's a good improvement, right? 1:15.